Jerome Fandle.
Run fast from a day job, running fast from the way it was. Jump quick to a paycheck, running back to the strip club. I'm never going back, never going back. No, you can't make me. Never going back, never going back. They never take me. I paid enough of petty dues. I put enough of shitty news. I had a thing for dirty shoes since I was 10. Love dirty men alike. Ooh, better day than yesterday. Ooh, I just take it.
Me too. Ploy looks to be in pain. Oh my god. Oh, Ploy did not make it. This is what happens when you live where beaches are in warm climates and you can do that regularly.
Okay, update. We got to the beach. We've been tanning and playing, but me, Chris, and Ploy decided to come out and get some food because we're hungry. So we're walking across this little street that has a bunch of restaurants. I'm getting a bowl.
What can I get for you?
Could I get
your
the...
bathing suit.
Oh, thank you. Could I get a king bowl, please?
Yeah. Your name for the order?
Rachel?
I just take it day by day. Ooh, never hearing what they say. Ooh, I just do it my way. I got this, these broken clouds. I ain't got no time. Just
Okay. Ploy is reading her book. She being a baddie.
A lot of compliments on your bathing suit today, right?
Honestly, yeah. So buying a new one was the move.
And you have to get a picture of the top.
Yeah, exactly.
Whoever goes to Target, don't say
Don't-
anything.
Yeah,
Don't mention.
don't mention.
It's like from this boutique that
Yeah,
really
it's
heard
from a
about.
non-existent boutique that I can't give the name
Yeah,
of,
it's
unfortunately.
It's in the Fenway area.
Yeah. I was like, yeah. I can't even give you the tag because it's just ripped off. We're gonna chill, and then we're probably gonna dip our dip our feet in sometime soon.
All that I got